You need to learn Python right now. But why? Because Python is very easy to learn. And Python is used everywhere. Like for ethical hacking, we use Python. Application development, Python. Website development, Python. And game development also, Python. So let's start Python coding right now. I will open my browser and here I will search Python Online Editor. Now I will go on third link. I have given this link in the description. So you can open this link directly from there. You can open it from mobile too. First, I will remove this code. Select all and delete. So now it looks fresh. So here I will write print round brackets double quotes hello world and exclamatory mark. Now let's run this from here. I will click on this run button. See down in the console. We can see hello world printed, which we have put inside the print. Now let's understand this. So first we wrote print and after that we gave round brackets. This became our function. Function means it does some work. For example, washing machine. What is the function of washing machine? To wash clothes. The function of tube light is to give us light. Similarly, this print function prints something on the console. Means over here. Function make our work easy. If we did not have a washing machine, then we would have to wash our clothes by hands. So let's run and see. Huh? Nothing came after hello world. How it will come? We did not pass anything for this function. If you don't put clothes in washing machine, how it will wash the clothes? So here also in print, we need to pass argument. So here I will write I am Iron Man. I am Iron Man becomes our string. What is the string? String means sequence of characters. This I is a character. A is character. M is character. Face is also a character. I, R, O, N. All these are characters. When we put all these characters together, it becomes a string. String should be written inside the double quotes. We can also use single quotes. Let's try with single quotes. Inside single quotes, I will write bye. Let's run this and see. See, bye got printed. I will write hashtag print curve bracket double quotes I like Python. Let's run and check this. What? I like Python is not printed? Why? By adding hashtag, this line became a comment and the computer does not read the comment. It is not for the computer, it is for us. So this line is not printed in the console. Here I don't want 3 prints. I want only one print. So how can I write it? First I'll write print double quotes hello world. So I wrote this first string here. Next I will give a space and I will write the second string I am Iron Man. Again space and bye. So when we put the clothes in washing machine, do we put one cloth at a time? No, we put all the clothes together. So here also we will put all the strings inside one print. Let's run and see. See, it got printed. This whole line got printed as it is. But I want each string in a new line. How you will do it? Wait, I will use enter key. So these strings are on new line. Now this should run. What? Error? This is the first error, yaar. I hate this. Why this error came? Because we cannot write this. Here we have to use multi-line string. I will add two more double quotes. So here also two more double quotes I will use. So in total 3 opening double quotes and 3 closing double quotes. This became our multi-line string. Now I will click on run button. See, all the strings on new line. There is another way to print strings in new line. I will remove those extra double quotes. And here I will add /n. /n means new line. Let's run and see. I am Iron Man came on a new line because we added /n before I am Iron Man. Before by also I will add /n. Let's run and check. See, by came on new line. So this was our video about strings.